The backup pad supports the sanding discs on your drywall sander. The rigid plastic pad threads onto the drive shaft. It has an abrasive surface, so the sanding pads won't slip. The kit also includes a new pad attachment nut. Eventually, the abrasive backing will wear down, or the threads that secure to the shaft might fail. Replacing the backup pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the sanding pad from the sander. Now I can remove the backing pad. I'll use a large screwdriver to secure the shaft and then unscrew the pad. Now install the new pad. Thread it into place and tighten up the shaft. Now I'll reinstall the sanding pad. Now I'll reinstall the nut. And that's how easy it is to install a new backup pad on your drywall sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up